Everything starts here, Hass, with ChatGPT. Without a powerful script, no AI tool in the world can save your video.
Role, format, topic, structure, style, pass. 5 sections in one prompt. Fill in the topic and ChatGPT handles the rest.
One prompt glue, 30 seconds tapped, and you have a complete script with a hook, structure, and a loop trigger ending. Copy it, move on.
Always generate 3 versions: emotional, informational, controversial. Controversial wins every time. 11.7% CTR average.
5 hook archetypes. The Impossible Promise scores 9.4. Ask ChatGPT to generate 10 hooks using each pay, then pick the highest. 12 scenes. 12 image briefs. Complete script in under 3 minutes. Step 1 done. Now we make it visual.
Step 2. Take each scene from the script and generate an image for it in Midjourney or Flux. This is your visual foundation.
Midjourney is for cinematic aesthetics and fantasy. Flux is free for realistic scenes. Use both. A pro's secret: one style seed and prompt template for the entire video. Just change the scene, everything else stays the same.
12 images, all at 9:16, consistent style, each linked to a timestamp. Step 2 is complete. Let's animate. You take a finished image from Midjourney, upload it to Kling, and in 45 seconds, it's a live video with movement and breathing. Action and physics, Heims Kling. Character and narrative, hide Hailu. Ideally, use both in the same video for different scenes. The formula: 1 camera move plus 2 subject moves plus 1 environmental detail. That's enough for a perfect clip. 12 clips, 66 seconds of footage, all clocked in at 9:16. Step 3 is complete. Now it's all heading to CapCut for final assembly. CapCut. Import 12 clips, and the AI automatically sets the rhythm to the beat of the music. A 60-second edit takes 8 minutes.
Hormozi's style, bold white text with red accents on keywords, results in a 91% retention rate. Use it exclusively. Color is everything. The Moody Cinematic preset, contrast plus 28, shadows tame, and the AI video looks like a Hollywood movie. 22 minutes, and the professional YouTube short is fully assembled. All that's left is to add the voiceover. Let's head over to ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs clones your voice in 30 seconds from a single sample. Then this voice reads any text, and it sounds like you. Each section of the script has its own emotions. The hook is intensely urgent, the revelation builds with increasing excitement, the CTA is commanding.
One video is 29 languages tell in 4 minutes. Your voice sounds in Chinese and Arabic, but it's still your timbre and charisma.
47 minutes, 5 free AI tools, the world's most professional YouTube short, painting for 0 rubles. This is the winning combination. Links to all free platforms, CapCut AI, Runway AI, Kling AI, etc., are in the description and pinned comment below this video. Everyone talks about YouTube money. Nobody shows you the actual number. Until now. I have seen people claim everything from 50 cents to $200 per 1,000 views. Most of them have never looked at an actual AdSense report. I have run 6 channels. I have generated over 11 million views. I have the receipts. Let me show you what YouTube actually pays.
First, you need to understand one term: RPM, revenue per milli. This is what YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views after they're cut.
The global average RPM in 2026 sits between $2 and $5. The most common number I see across all niches? $3.50. Niche determines everything. A financial channel and a gaming channel with the same number of views can have a 15-fold difference in revenue. The location of your viewers is more important than their number. In most cases, 1,000 American viewers pay more than 10,000 Indian viewers. Many people confuse CPM and RPM. CPM is what advertisers pay for. YouTube takes 45%, the remainder is your RPM. Let me explain in more detail. 100,000 views per month at an average RPM is $350. 1 million views is $3,500.
Here's a number no one mentions in the previews. Some channels earn 30 cents per 1,000 views. Viral content, reaction content,
$45 per 1,000 views. Real RPM numbers from premium finance content targeting US investors kill, and the reason finance creators pay attention. January is the worst month of the year for YouTube revenue. Advertisers spent their entire budget in the 4th quarter. Your RPM in January will be 40% lower than in December. Not all ads pay the same. Non-skippable ads usually earn more, while bumper ads scale fast. Your ad mix can significantly change overall RPM. YouTube rewards watch time by pushing videos to higher value audiences. Better audiences attract premium ads bay,
which is why strong retention often means higher RPM. Not all ads pay the same. Non-skippable ads usually earn more, while bumper ads scale fast. Your ad mix can significantly change overall RPM. Many creators overlook YouTube Premium revenue. When premium users watch your videos, you earn a share of their subscription fee based on watch time.
Before these numbers matter, you need to qualify. 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 3 million Shorts views. Shorts RPM is extremely low compared to long-form content. Shorts are powerful for audience growth, but long-form videos are where serious revenue happens.
What thumbnails never reveal? Top creators often earn far more beyond AdSense. Views bring attention pay, but the real income comes from the business built around them. A niche channel with loyal subscribers can earn more from one sponsorship than months of AdSense. Credibility builds value, Kai, and subscribers prove it. YouTube's AI-driven ad system now adjusts advertiser matching in real time. The same video can earn different RPM depending on audience behavior and timing.
At average RPM, 10,000 monthly views earns about 35. 100,000 earns 350. 1 million views can reach 3,000.
The biggest mistake is chasing views instead of value. 10,000 targeted viewers in the right niche can outperform 1 million random views every time.
Month 1 earned $42, month 8 reached $6,400. Same niche, same format, just a deeper understanding of how the system works. In 2026, YouTube RPM ranges from cents to dozens of dollars per thousand views. Your audience, niche, and content quality determine where you land.
What if everything you believed about starting YouTube was completely wrong?
I am not here to sell you a course. I am here to show exactly what happened. It started at midnight. One goal, pawn, build a YouTube channel from zero using only AI.
Most people ask the wrong question. I ask the AI something completely different instead.
The AI returned one answer that stopped me cold. I almost skipped it. I am glad I did not.
YouTube rewards the most emotionally triggering content, and AI understands that better than any human.
3 words. I gave the AI 3 words, and it built an entire brand identity around them. Script writing usually takes weeks. I spent 1 minute. The AI knew exactly when to hit.
No microphone, no voice actor, an AI voice so human, 3 people asked me who the narrator was.
I described scenes in simple language and watched as the AI how processed cinematic shots that I could never have captured myself.
There was a moment around hour 7 where something happened I never expected. Stay with me.
I ran an A/B test. The uglier thumbnail won by a significant margin. Counterintuitive but real.
Titles are psychology dressed as words. 3 parts. That is the entire formula. Nothing more needed.
14 hours. I pressed the download button. And then I waited. And the waiting was the hardest part of the whole process.
2 hours. 0 views. 0 impressions. My brain started catastrophizing immediately, as it always does. Hour 16 more. Something shifted. Impressions climbing. CTR hit 8.3%. Above average. 4,000 views. 62% watch time. A completely new channel. 1,250 subscribers. This is real data.
The AI added a line I never wrote. About loneliness. More honest than anything I could have written myself.
People do not watch YouTube for information. They watch because they are looking for something to feel.
5 tools. Total cost for the entire 24 hours on it, less than $40. That is the full stack.
The barrier to creating is completely gone. The only thing standing between you and a channel is your decision. One tool failed completely. One script was flat and soulless. AI needs a human with taste to steer it always. The real lesson is not about AI. It is about speed. Remove friction, and what remains is pure creative decision-making.
Tonight, Kai. Open one AI tool, pick one idea, make one thing. It does not need to be perfect, it needs to exist.
I built a channel in 24 hours. It is growing. You are the only thing standing in your own way now.
All AI tools I used are linked in the description and pinned in the first comment below this video.